This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com, September 4th, a Friday. This is going to be a quick follow-up to a video I did early in the morning. So this is officially going to be part 2 of 2. The video is right here where I was discussing the 5-minute chart. So take a look at this video if you can. This is the part 1, or I'm going to label this part 1, and this current video is going to be part 2 of 2. So watch this one first if you can, so I can keep this one brief and to the point. And if we take a look at the updated version of this chart, as we can see from the earlier video this morning, let me show you what lines I was drawing. Again, purely from a swing trade perspective, this is line number 1. This is line number 2. Now, in the morning, this is where we were trading on the RSI. The suggestion at the time was the market was due for a pullback. From the highs of this morning to the lows, the Dow has lost almost 800 points. Now it's come back, and you can see in its move higher, as a follow-up, we can see one of the reasons why the market has been stalling is because even the intraday attempts of the lows are coming back and testing the same two lines. So again, the market is testing yet again the same two lines that gave us this reversal area from a swing trade, intraday, day trading perspective, which means as long as we continue seeing the market being rejected on these two lines, and also don't forget that this is also approximately at the RSI 50 level, as long as the market continues to stay below 50, then chances are this market around current levels is also due for a pullback into the close of the session, close of this week. Again, today being a Friday with about 2 hours to go before the close of the week, close of the day. Now, because the same two lines are well defined, as we mentioned early in the morning, if you are swing trading this type of a RSI setup, any movement above the two lines, the blue and the red, would be a reason to buy for an intraday push to the upside. Now, and we also know continued resistance here staying below RSI 50 suggests that as we go into the end of this session, chances are higher that the pullback is imminent even from current level. So the two lines continue to offer guidance many hours after we had observed the initial resistance here at the open of today's session. Remember, it's a 5-minute chart, so things are going to be moving quickly because of the time frame. The small time frame, of course, yields results in a squeezed time frame perspective. So if you've watched part 1, this is going to be a follow-up as part 2. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Love and light, light and love. Namaste.